Hi, I'm Matt from Black Box Mind, and in this video we're taking a look at the pre-training principle. Let's jump straight in and see what it's all about. We've all attended lectures, watched online videos, and even sat in on meetings where we've not 100% understood the terms that are being said. I don't know about you, but I spend most of meetings like that trying to decipher what the terms mean. As a result, I don't fully follow what's being said, and nor do I make any meaningful contribution to the conversation. So let's say that you're preparing a lecture, quite a technical lecture, in your respective field. How would you go about combating this problem of getting everyone on the same page and up to speed? Would you distribute pre-made lecture notes with key elements already highlighted? Hand out a terminology cheat sheet at the start? Create an introductory document for students to read before the lecture, to get everyone up to speed and on the same page? Well, these are all forms of pre-training. The idea behind the pre-training principle says that people learn more deeply from a multimedia message when they have learned the names and characteristics of the main concepts. Experiments were run where two groups of students followed a narrated animation on how breaks worked. One group had just the animation to learn from, the other group had pre-training on the names and characteristics of the main parts covered. 13 out of the 16 times that the experiment was run, the group that had the pre-training performed better on transfer tests. So, what are some ways of pre-training learners? Well, there are the examples that we gave before on cheat sheets and introductory guides, but if there's a lot of pre-required knowledge, then why not consider adding in an extra step or section to your course that covers specifically this information. This can be in the form of an extra lecture that's given on campus, or an extra video that's given in an online course, or a text document that gets distributed out to students. But one thing's for sure, no matter how you distribute this information, it needs to be given in a clear and concise way. And to help with that, why not check out the first set of videos that I produced on reducing extraneous processing. Meanwhile though, in the next video, we'll be looking at the modality principle. I'll see you there.